Today we have a fun math activity called One Regroup. We have this question. First we start ones. 36 plus 14. 6 put your mind at 4. 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 here. 1 here. Ones fly to the number friends. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 28 plus 44. There are tens and ones. First we need to start the ones. 8 plus 4. Now 9, 10, 11, 12. Write down 2 and 1. Fly to the numbers friends. And first 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then 3 plus 4 equals, but first we need to put 3 hands and 4 in my mind. 5, 6, 7. And that means it equals 72. We have this question, 90 plus 27. The first, let's start ones. 9 plus 7, 9. Put in your mind as 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 in here. 6 in here. 1 is a fly to the number friend. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Equal to 46.